Hello everyone, this is Bryant. You're going to learn about Deno in this video series. In the part 4 of this series, you're going to learn how to say hello world in Deno. Be sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's get started. Hello world in Deno. Deno can run JavaScript or TypeScript out of the box with no additional tools or configuration required. In this video, you'll see a sample hello world in example Deno in both JavaScript and TypeScript. Let's see how can you say hello world in JavaScript. So here's our Visual Studio Code. Here's our file within JavaScript. It's a simple file with two different functions. One is just to say capitalize and hello, and we'll say hello John, Sarah, and Kyle and print it out in the console window. So we can have this terminal window open. We just say Deno run, and then the file name with the JavaScript, and that's it. We say that those will print out. Next, let's see how we can say hello world in TypeScript. So to learn TypeScript, we're gonna just create a new file, and it's just gonna have exactly the same format except it's in TypeScript extension. We will just copy from the JavaScript and paste the content there. We're going to make a few modifications, but only modification we really need is that we need to provide a type. So word is a string, and the return is also string. And hello with the name, variable name is also string, and the return type is a string. That's the only thing we need. So once we done that, we can just say go back to our terminal and just say Deno run and TypeScript, and we should get the same result. Hello John, hello Sarah, and hello Kai. So that's pretty much it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget. And hopefully we can see you again next time. Bye bye.